U.S. Oil Sands is a growth-oriented energy company poised to unlock millions of barrels of energy resources from the oil sands of Utah. These sands contain heavy oil known as bitumen, and the company has the largest oil sands leaseholding in the United States. They expect to develop the first commercial extraction project in the U.S. when its PR Spring project begins construction in 2013. Within the following 5 years, the company envisions total production capacity of 20,000 barrels per day. Utah offers an excellent platform to develop resource projects. The state's estimated 30 billion barrels of heavy oil resources are the largest in the U.S. and more than all of the proven conventional oil reserves of the nation. The PR Spring deposit, which includes the area where U.S. Oil Sands' first project is under development, is estimated to contain 4.5 billion barrels of oil. Utah is a can-do state with a long history of oil and gas development, extensive infrastructure, and a robust oil, gas, and mining service industry. It also has a ready-made market with 5 refineries able to accept production and serve the 2.7 million people who rely on them for energy and transportation fuels. U.S. Oil Sands has pioneered a breakthrough extraction process, which can be developed at a quarter of the cost of other mining projects. This breakthrough allows the company to build smaller, more efficient modular plants and opens up a whole new world of untapped oil resources. This project also represents a breakthrough in environmental performance. The proprietary process uses a renewable and biodegradable byproduct from citrus growers as a solvent to extract the heavy oil from the sand. This non-toxic biosolvent is a unique approach, allowing for more efficient extraction and completely eliminates the need for tailings ponds. Notably, the process produces clean sand ready for immediate replacement to the mine and subsequent revegetation, clean water which is recycled, and clean oil ready for market. It does this while using less energy and less water, generating less greenhouse gases and creating the smallest surface footprint of any project in its class. U.S. Oil Sands process has been proven through exhaustive testing, independent review, and numerous pilots. The process works on oil sands in both Utah and Alberta, as well as other oil sands around the world. The PR Spring project has received its required state approvals and is now ready for construction. U.S. Oil Sands has worked closely together with the government of Utah and the stakeholders in the communities in which it works to develop a win-win approach. Royalties from the first project's phase will provide an estimated $2 million a year in support of public education in Utah and much-needed jobs and economic development, as well as secure energy to meet America's needs long into the future. It's an exciting time for U.S. Oil Sands and its shareholders, as the company is on the cusp of rapid and sustained growth and game-changing performance. U.S. Oil Sands is listed on the Toronto Venture Stock Exchange under the ticker USO.